In this video, we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now, GBPJPY in this week, after a retest on this key zone, it faced some strong price ejection and closed this week with a candle facing strong price ejection from this key zone. Now, seeing this price ejection after this bullish run, GBPJPY does look to go for some retracements after this bullish run, and that retracements might either be some deeper retracements to any of these key levels and zones that we drew based on these multiple major retest points, or these retracements could also be at this key zone or over here, and then continuation of this bullish move with further bullish momentum over here. Now, if we go to even shorter time frame like daily time frame, then we can see the same key zones and key levels that we just talked about on the weekly time frame, and also you can see how these key levels and zones makes much more sense since that those key levels has these multiple major retest points over here. Now we need a GBPJPY to properly make a break and close below this key zone for GBPJPY to make some deeper retracements to any of these key levels over here. Now, since the momentum is too high over here, let's go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame to locate proper support and resistance zone on a shorter time frame point of view to look for trades. Now, in this 4-hour time frame, you can already see GBPJPY after a retest on this key zone and facing resistance from here. While it was going for some price ejection, facing some price ejection on the weekly time frame, it is moving in respect to a beautiful downtrend channel as you can see over here. Now, GBPJPY on a 4-hour time frame has this key zone as its recent resistance. As you can see, after a retest on that key zone, it faced this bearish engulfing candle and continued to push down, and also it is facing a bit of support over here at this key zone. Now, GBPJPY needs to make a breakout of this downtrend channel for it to finish up with these retracements and continue pushing up with further bullish momentum. Similarly, it needs to make a break and close below this major support zone for it to continue pushing down, creating some deeper retracements. Now, on the upcoming week, if GBPJPY continues to respect this key zone as its resistance where it found its resistance before by creating this previous high, and makes a break and close below this key zone with further bearish momentum at least on a 30 minutes time frame, then we can start to look for trades on the short side on the breakout of these lows in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this major support zone. And if it even with further bearish momentum makes a proper break and close below this key zone at least on a 4-hour time frame, then you can expect GBPJPY to going for some deeper retracements to retest this key level, or all the way to retest any of the key level over here, or all the way over here, which you also saw on the daily time frame and also weekly time frame at this or at this. As you can see, this key level has these multiple major retest points. However, if we see GBPJPY, instead of making a break and close below this key zone, if it does continue to respect this key zone or this key zone as its support and continues to form these higher lows and makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then it would be a breakout of this downtrend channel, and also it would be an indication of GBPJPY finished up with its retracements and might be continuing this bullish run over here, which might lead GBPJPY to come all the way, either retest this small time frame key level or all the way to make a retest on this key zone once again at this high, or create new higher high if it even makes a break and close above this key zone. So you can start to look for trades on the long side if GBPJPY makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way to make a retest on this key zone or create new higher high to retest this key level, which also you saw on the weekly time frame over here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll give a link to this whole trading which are in the video description as well.